Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Sarvesh, and today we are going to learn an example about else if block. Last time we have seen if else statements, and in this video we are going to see an else if block. So I'm taking age normally to be 45 like the previous lesson, and we will take the first block to be if age is less than 18. We will change it to a child. Here, uh, here is a new concept. We are talking about elif block, and elif also contains a condition. Here inside, after writing if, else or something, not after else, but in if and elif statement, we have to write the parenthesis. These parentheses contains a condition, and the condition will, if condition will be satisfied, then mm, the rest of the statement will be printed. So in elif block, I will write if age is greater than 18, greater than 18, and uh, here this and refers to if either of the both the statements are true, then only we will go to the next uh, block. So here we will check if the age is less greater than 18 and age if the age is less than 60, we will print this particular person is an adult. 60 is maybe too much bigger age, but we will take 50 as an example. So as we have passed 45, it could give as an adult as an result. It is an invalid syntax. Okay, I have passed. So finally, we can see this is an AND operator. We will further discuss about an AND operator, but here the result is an adult. If we will change this 45 to a greater value, here I am writing 88, which will come under the category of elder. Let's see what would be the result. It is still printing adult. So we will see the what is the main source. Okay, I have passed on the wrong operator. Here, if the age is below 18 and if the age is below 50, then it is an adult, or else it would be an elder. So if I will print this statement again, it refers to elder. So this is all for this video, and we will see.